In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include color in Airtable records. Using color is a simple but powerful way to quickly understand what's going on in your base at a glance. It helps you see priorities, categories, or statuses without having to read every single cell. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set this up using a single select field and then apply those colors directly to your view. Let's start inside your Airtable base, in the table where you want to add color. First, we're going to create a new field. Look to the right of your existing columns and click on the plus icon to add a new field. When the Field Setup window appears, give your field a clear, meaningful name that reflects how you want to use color. For example, you might call it Priority, Status, or Category. Next, change the field type to Single Select. This is important because Airtable uses single select options to store both the text label and the color you want to associate with that label. Once you choose single select, you'll see an area where you can start adding options. Now, add the specific options you want to use. Think about the categories that make sense for your workflow. For instance, you might create options like high, medium, and low if you're tracking priority, or not started, in progress, and completed if you're tracking status. Type each option into its own line. For each option, Airtable lets you assign a color. Click on the color swatch next to an option and pick a color that feels intuitive. A common pattern is using red or orange for high priority, yellow for medium, and green for low. The goal is to choose colors that you can recognize instantly, even at a quick glance. When you're done, save the field. At this point, your records can use those options, but we'll go one step further and apply those colors to your whole view. Look at the view bar at the top of your table and click the color button. In the color settings, choose the option labeled By Select Field. From the drop-down, select the single select field you just created. As soon as you do this, Airtable will automatically apply the colors from your single select options to your records in that view. Now, as you change the value of that field for each record, the color will update accordingly, giving you a clear, visual way to understand your data.